Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to today's episode. Hope you guys, oh, that's bad lighting. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. But if you've been turning the channel for a while, you'll see that we're doing this series where we're like fixing up this old truck bed. So here we actually have the actual truck. Oh, there she is. Ain't she pretty? So we went ahead and took the truck cap and the bed liner out. I'll roll that footage here. So this is the part that needs to come off the old bed. So as you can see, you might be thinking it's okay, but she got in a little bit of an accident. So we need to take this off with these big bolts and then put the other bed on. Okay, how's it going, everybody? It's the next day here. We got the old Ranger here. She's looking mint condition, but I don't really know where I left the video off yesterday. We were taking the cap off and the bed rails off, I'm pretty sure, but we were trying to do so much stuff yesterday. We had stuff in the evening. It's a mess. But anyways, here's the old truck. We got the old bed taken off. We got a new gas pump in there. We got the old new bumper on. So that's about it. I'll give you guys a tour on the inside in a little bit, but we still need to replace the headlights and put the new bed back on. So in the last video, you guys saw the new bed getting painted. Now we're gonna throw her on, so let's do it. You guys saw we got the old bed on here. Now we're just screwing these main ones down. Then the bed will be on, and we got a truck. All right, here goes the bed liner. We're about to put the old cap on the old truck. All right. All right, here we go. Taking the old tape off after the paint job on the Ford logo. Oh yeah, ain't that pretty? Oh yeah, that old blue tape. Oh, look at that! Ain't she pretty? Well, alright, folks, there she is. Yeah, so last thing you saw was us kind of putting the cap on and that sticky stuff on, but she's complete now. So, like I said, we got the old truck chopper here. Pop that open. Got a nice bed liner that was in the truck before. The old tailgate. You know, snap it shut. And then, actually, when you shut this, when you lock it, then you can open the tailgate. That way you can keep some of your stuff safe in there. And we got the main cab here. Oh gosh. We got 1 seat, 2 seat, middle seat, kind of. It's a small butt seat, but that works. And then 2 seats back here that are kind of seats again if you're a small child, but they're seats. So yeah, I'm really happy, honestly. Like I said, 98 Ford Ranger. It only has 83,127 miles on it. That's not all that many miles for a 98 truck. I mean, are you kidding me? And then, of course, the old cigarette lighter, key. Nice radio up here, CD player, it's key. And then the old roll down windows, classic. No glove compartment, you know, all that stuff that's in a car normally. I do like there's not too many buttons on this the window though. There's only the door handle and the power mirrors. And that's it. Oh, I forgot to show you the old glove, the old secret box, you know. So, yeah. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this like whole truck making adventure. It was something I've never done before, but it's gonna turn out really great. I mean, I got a truck out of the deal, so yeah, this is probably just gonna turn into my adventure wagon. I mean, hunting, fishing, whatever, this truck will do it. Perfect, really a perfect fit. Couldn't ask for a better fit. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it, and I hope you're enjoying the outside today as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.